Hi everyone! So today's activity is going to be super easy. We're going to be using paint and tape. I'm using painter's tape, some scotch tape, and some masking tape. So here we go. I'm going to start with my painter's tape and I'm going to tear it into interesting and unique shapes, and I'm going to place it all over my sketchbook paper. This paper is heavy-duty mixed media paper, so it will hold the paint very well. I'm also using some cardstock. You can use printer paper if that's what you have. Just be sure to give it a little bit more dry time than I'm giving mine in this demo. So after I lay down my painter's tape, I'm going to mess around with some of the masking tape just to see if there's a difference between the two, if I get some kind of other result. And I placed some scotch tape also because I like how straight and geometric that looks, and I'm going to see what effect that'll give me. So the paint that I'm using is acrylic, and I watered it down significantly in these individual cups. You can do that, or you can water it down on your palette like I did with the orange here. And I wanted to go ahead and use a cool base with some warm accents, but I encourage you to experiment with as many colors as you'd like, and don't forget to leave some photo comments below. I love to see what you create. So in this video, I'm removing the tape pretty immediately after I've painted it. I recommend allowing a little bit more dry time because I noticed that some of the tape was ripping the paper underneath. But I had more success with the heavy-duty mixed media paper, and I really like the way that it allows for positive and negative space. I hope you all have fun with this one. It's super easy to do, and there's lots of variations that you can come up with. Thanks for joining.